Hey guys, Joseph and Carissa here. How are you? Welcome to our new listing over here at 64 Easy Street. Through these gates, I cannot wait to show you what's in store.
Tucked away in the Tijeras Mountains is this cabin retreat boasting of 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and over 3,200 square feet. Let's go check it out.
You're gonna notice instantly that the front facade of this home is just extremely architecturally appeasing. It's just warm and inviting. You're gonna have the bottom patio right offset from the top patio. You have the A-frame design with the white windows and the white railings. You just wanna go in and find comfort in this home. It's beautiful. Let's go check out the inside.
So this house was designed to bring nature inside. You have so many windows that allows the northwest sunshine to come in and highlight this gorgeous kitchen. You have the open concept with plenty of counter space as well as an island for more prep space, eating into your dining area with the vaulted ceilings that has kind of that cozy mountain vibe before you go into the great room.
Coming into the great room, the home is consistent with the vaulted ceilings and the array of windows. You're gonna notice that there's a dyed concrete, makes the room really large in length, plenty of space to have your imagination just explode. Right off the side of the great room, you're gonna have an abundance of storage, which allows for a second pantry, extra large pantry area. On the other side, you'll see that there's an office space as well. Of course, there's windows looking out at the beautiful mountain view. Coming to this side of the great room, you're gonna see that there are French doors that give you that view of your mountainous living. You have a covered patio. You could put chairs out here and just take in the mountainous surrounding that you have around you.
But your ground floor doesn't end there. There's so much more to explore here. Over here you have your wonderful coffee bar for all those coffee lovers like myself when you gotta wake up and get some caffeine in you. Something that's not as common here in New Mexico is a laundry into a mudroom. So you do have a second entrance to your property, and right off your mudroom you do have a full-size bath. Coming towards the main entrance, you do have your full-size primary bedroom as well as the ensuite full walk-in closet, and you do have a nice walk-in shower as well as plenty of storage in your primary bathroom.
So the home is consistent with its creativity and uniqueness with this balcony that overlooks the great room of the home. So you can see the kitchen, you can see your dining area, which is really cool. Off to this side of the property, you're gonna have your upstairs bathroom with double sink, standing shower. Coming around the corner over here, you're gonna have pantry spaces for both bedrooms. Walking into the bedrooms, the homes are gonna be really consistent with its views out every single window. Going over to this other bedroom, this one has a unique offering because by this bedroom, you're gonna see that you have 2 opportunities for views out of here. You have a balcony that has a nice northern view right outside the window here. We'll go look at that balcony. Absolutely stunning. Right outside of the upstairs hallway, this is where you have this upstairs balcony that has that northern view. You have the white rails, you have the lovely A-frame look, so it makes that beautiful curb appeal. What I love is when you sit down here in the balcony, you look out that way, you are just immersed into the atmosphere of where you're living. Absolutely beautiful. It's such an emotional experience. Your at-home retreat continues from the patio onto the property. You have a stable for your horses with a barn and shade included. Located next to the stable, you have a welcoming Tact Room lodge with wood-burning stove. As you go towards the main house, you will find a chicken coop, and continuing off the rear of the main house sits an artistic red door pump house next to the home's main water tank. The backyard on the western side of the home lies a beautiful gazebo looking onto the views of your property. Great for entertaining or coming out on those tranquil mornings to enjoy a cup of coffee. There's a large workshop up the road from the main house and an additional storage shed.
Thank you so much for joining us on another property tour with the CQ Real Estate Group.
For more information, please feel free to contact us in any of the ways at the bottom of the screen. We're looking forward to hearing from you. We'll see you on the next one.